Have you ever analyzed a perfect setup, waited patiently for price to reach your level, entered the trade, and still watched it fail? The problem was not your strategy, it was your timing. In this episode, you will learn why execution timing separates average traders from professionals. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wednesday Moves. This is episode 26 of our professional trading course. Until now, you have learned about systems, risk control, psychology, scaling, and career structure. Today, we refine something more subtle for extremely powerful execution timing. Because in trading, a few seconds or a few candles can completely change your outcome. Execution versus analysis. Many traders believe that once analysis is correct, profit is guaranteed. However, analysis only identifies opportunity. Execution determines whether that opportunity becomes profit or loss. A great setup entered too early becomes a bad trade. A strong trend exited too early becomes a missed opportunity. So, timing is a bridge between analysis and results. Understanding market rhythm. Markets do not move randomly, they move in waves of liquidity, volatility, and participation. There are moments of expansion and moments of contraction. Professionals learn to recognize these rhythms and align their entries with higher probability momentum shifts. Entry timing refinement. A refined entry is not based on emotion or impatience. It is based on confirmation, structure validation, and volume behavior. Instead of entering at the first sign of movement, professionals wait for the market to prove its intention. Patience improves expectancy. Scaling into positions, advanced traders often avoid full size entries at once. Instead, they distribute risk across partial entries. And this reduces emotional pressure and improves flexibility in volatile environments. Exit timing precision. Exit timing is often more difficult than entry timing. Many traders exit early due to fear or hold too long due to greed. Professionals define exit rules in advance based on structure shifts, trailing logic, and market reaction behavior. Intraday timing windows. Not all hours in the market are equal. High liquidity periods offer better movement and tighter spreads. Dead zones increase noise and slippage. Understanding timing windows improves execution quality dramatically. Avoiding emotional entries. Impulsive trades usually occur when traders react to sudden movement without preparation. Implementing execution checklist and mandatory pauses rules. They reduces unnecessary trades and protects discipline. Order types and execution efficiency. Market orders, limit orders, and stop orders each affect execution differently. Professionals understand when speed is required and when precision matters more than immediacy. Execution journaling. Reviewing entries and exits separately from strategy performance provides powerful insights. Many traders discover that their strategy works, but their execution reduces profitability. Timing during news events. High impact news creates volatility spikes and spread expansion. Without execution awareness, even good setups can become unpredictable. Professionals adjust exposure accordingly. Refining reaction speed. Execution speed improves through repetition and scenario rehearsal. Chart replay training. It builds instinctive pattern recognition without emotional pressure. Timing mastery develops slowly through experience and observation. As you accumulate screen time, you begin to sense momentum shifts before they become obvious. This skill separates professionals from casual traders. It's a key message. Strategy gives you direction, execution gives you precision, and precision builds consistency. If you want to move from basic understanding to professional refinement, execution timing is the next level of growth. In the next episode, we will go deeper into advanced market adaptability and structural shifts. Subscribe if you're serious about mastering trading step by step, and see you in the episode 27 of Wednesday Moves.